Today's May 18th, 2022. It is a Wednesday, and it is day 99 of Blender. Now, today I'm going to try to do some sort of video. So I'm starting early because I know it's going to take a long time. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to try to do a video of day 98. I'm going to try to do like a rotation, like an animation. And yeah. I'm going to follow a tutorial by Evelto, I think it's Edwet or Edvelto Vialta. I'm going to try to search. I'm going to go to my history when this thing wants to load. Okay, well that does that. I'll go over here and write date 99. Set the date to today. Is it loading? Nope, not yet. Okay, how to cover. Go to Blender template. Is it gonna load? Okay. Let me go to library, I think. Right here. My history, and then okay, this is the video I was watching. So, if I remember correctly, okay, so I'm gonna open up yesterday's file. Oh, I was gonna do the emission thing. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, I should probably fix this. Should I probably fix this? I mean, it's just so thick, it's like, I could just literally scale it on the Y. Kinda like that, but then it becomes like weird. I could also scale it on the X. Like that, and then do Control A. Apply scale. Now it looks like really... Man, I don't care. Okay, anyway. So the point is to do a video around this object. And so I think he starts by doing Shift A, and then he does something like an empty. Where are they? An empty, and he does a sphere. I think he does a sphere, yeah. So he scales it up, moves it downwards like this. It touches kind of like floor. And then let me see what he does after. Are you kidding me? Why does this video never... Why does my laptop do this? What's wrong with this thing? It's so mean to me, honestly. If it does this again, I'm gonna cry. Actually, it's fine. I'll just open it up on my phone. Oh, which look... Oh, no. It's because the ad is gonna play, and then the video is gonna be the same. Hopefully not. Like I said. Okay, great. I'll just open it on my phone. Close this out.
Hola, hola, soy Ever Villalta. En este momento en Eevee pueden notar que he creado 3 luces de área. En el caso de la central le he dado un valor de power de 500 con un color blanco. En el caso de esta lateral tiene un power de 200 con un color. Hemos dado una colección. So, si no les aparecen estas opciones, pueden irse acá donde pueden activar diferentes opciones. Así que en este caso desactivamos esta para que de esa manera no podamos seleccionar el fondo por error. Bloquearemos de igual manera la cámara. Si presionamos 0 podemos notar que la cámara ya está configurada para la escena. Así que de igual manera es necesario bloquearla para que de esa forma no la seleccionemos. Presionamos Shift A para desplegar este menú y en este caso vamos a introducir un empty de esfera. Presionamos S para escalar y lo escalamos más o menos a este tamaño. Presionamos la tecla A para seleccionar todo y como el empty era la selección primaria que teníamos, podemos...
Interesting. Oh, interesting. So maybe I also want to hide this. And I also want to hide... Why do I have 2 cameras? So which camera was it using? Let me... I have 3. I have like 5,000 cameras. Oh, I think I have 2 views. Interesting. Do I want to hide this one? Or do I want to hide? Do I want to hide this one? Interesting. So, I guess, so the sphere, right? So I'll select that and then A. And then what did he do?
Que todas las selecciones, el empty es la selección primaria. Si por ejemplo presionamos Shift y selecciono esta iluminación, podemos notar que la selección primaria es la luz de área, pero en este caso nos interesa que la selección primaria sea el empty, así que con Shift presionado seleccionamos el empty. Ahora presionamos Control P para desplegar este menú y vamos a emparentar todos los objetos
Control P
de la escena al empty, así que le damos acá en Object Keep Transform y ahora si seleccionamos únicamente el empty y digamos con G lo movemos, podemos notar que todos los demás elementos están vinculados al empty. Voy a dar clic derecho para cancelar el movimiento y que regrese el empty a su estado original.
Okay, so what I just did, apparently. I know, but I haven't saved it. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. What I just did is I created an empty, which is this object. Well, I didn't create it. It's already like that. So it's a sphere and it's empty. And so what you can do is when you can select the empty and then you can click A to select everything else. And then to make the empty your prime selection, you just do shift and then select empty and then do control P and then you parent everything to whatever you had made your prime selection. So in this case, because we made the prime selection the empty, now everything is parented to the empty. So when I move the empty, everything moves with it, which I think is really, really nice. So, but if I move that also, you know, but if I click on the empty, everything moves with it. So that's really beautiful. Did not know that. New skill. Yay. Okay, moving on.
Ahora movemos un poquito el timeline para poder tener mejor visualización. Y aquí
so I'm pretty sure, hold on.
Las propiedades de la escena podemos ver algunas configuraciones que podemos realizar. En el caso de frame rate, podemos modificar la velocidad de los fotogramas por segundo que tendrá nuestra animación. En este caso lo dejaremos en 24. El frame start sería el inicio del frame donde va a comenzar nuestra animación. En este caso sería 1. Y el end sería la finalización del frame donde va a terminar la animación. En este caso le damos un valor de 100 para hacer una pequeña prueba de la animación y luego configurarla de manera correcta según el gusto de cada uno de nosotros. Presionamos la tecla N para desplegar el menú del transform y lo tendremos acá en ítem. Verificamos que tenemos acá en los fotogramas, que estemos en el fotograma número 1 y que tengamos seleccionado el empty. Ahora presionaremos la tecla I para abrir este menú donde insertaremos un keyframe. En este caso lo haremos en rotación.
Wait, so we select that, right? Let me go back to 1. And then over here, when I'm selecting this, press E. Why is it not working? Because it's in edit mode? Is it because I have this on? Oh, okay, yeah, it's because I had that on. So I make sure emulate numpad is off in preferences, and then rotation. Alright, and then we go to keyframe 400, and then we do a rotation of 360, I think. Well, that makes sense if it's 360. So let me just double check what he put in there. Yeah, he did 360. So then at that point, I'll do I again, and I'll do rotation. And then if you go all the way over here, you can kind of see it. So now there's 2 here. And then I think you press T and you press linear so that it's a constant rotation. And now if I were to, okay, look over there, you can see that happening and it moves very slow. Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh my god, I'm so blessed, literally. So now it's moving 360. I should probably, you know what I should probably do? Let me pause this real quick. Hello, can you pause yourself? Alright, I wanted to look at the liquid. Oh my god, it turned, the liquid disappeared. Ugh, why does it do this to me? Alright, I just wanted to go to physics properties, and then over here, just let me copy this. This is the file that I should have uploaded in day 98, because I'm going to try to upload my simulation files also, because they don't come directly in the blend. I think only the mesh, like the modeling, comes in the normal blend file. And then obviously the simulation is filed under its own thing. Okay, any day now. Why is this thing so slow? Okay, well, I'll just do... Are you kidding? Alright, so day 98, blend, and then maybe I could upload, choose a file, and see if it's somewhere in here. I just don't know where they are kept. I have no idea. Maybe I could search up this PC, but then it's gonna take 5 hours. Oh, I guess not. Oh, nice. Can I upload all of these? The data. Interesting. Are those per keyframe? What happened? Oh, I don't think I can... Oh, I don't think I can upload files. I can only upload certain... I mean, I can't upload folders, only files. Okay, whatever, I tried. I'll probably do Google Drive then. But either way, yeah, it works. So you can see that it's a continuous loop. So that's really... Oh, it does work. It is here. I just had it in the beginning where it hadn't been... So, oh. So I kind of... Okay. Okay. That's really nice, actually. That's really, really nice. That's, like, amazingly nice. So if I just look at it from here... And then I unhide this now. Unhide this. Probably don't want this here. This is off. Probably delete this camera. Now I can just, oh my god, that's so amazing. Are the markup sleeves though? Yeah, they're right there. Whoa. That's crazy. So then it kind of ends at 237. Maybe I want to end at 230. It's really nice. Let me look at it. Material preview, so there's not that crazy stuff. But it doesn't... Okay, if I do this... It's not going to do 360 if I ended up 400. But then the problem is that the cube comes back up after like 230, and I don't know why. Oh, it's because I didn't make the simulation 400. I just made it like a few... 250, right? Yeah, I made it 250, so after 250 it becomes a cube, because usually simulations are 250, so I'll have to redo the simulation. Oh my god, so annoying. Okay, but you know what, I think that this so far is fine. I'm just gonna it's just practice. So at this point, let's see. So, denoising, no. Where did they have it? They go to compositing. And then... okay, you go to render layers. I already have it. Oh, okay, great. I'm gonna just delete this. I don't need this. What I do need though is, a denoise one here, and this goes to image, this goes to image. I probably should have rendered this first. Didn't I render it already? Whatever. Are you kidding me? This thing is frozen. Oh, I already have one. Let me delete that then. Let me delete that. Is this thing like okay? Like it doesn't want to work. Alright, so maybe I messed up on doing this because oh, there we go. Great. Are you serious? Why is it so slow? Oh, whatever, man. I don't care. Layout. So I think if you go over here, in PNG, it's gonna render 400 of these images, and I want it to. What in the world? Okay, first of all, I guess I could start here. Control Alt 0. That's not gonna work because I don't have my numpad on real quick. Let me do that. What in the world happened? Okay, emulate numpad. Control Alt 0. Should do something like that. Okay, that's good. And then I want this. So should I save it? Should I not save it? I should save it. Let me do render image, and that'll render the 400 images, and that's gonna take 5 hours. So I think what I'll do now is I'll probably stop this and do this tomorrow. Oh, it's not gonna render. Actually, it's not. Is it? No. It's only rendering frame 9, isn't it? I needed to render all of the frames. So render animation, but how do I tell it to render all of the frames? Like the 4 images. Ugh, so annoying. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to take time on this. I'll do this tomorrow. I'm just going to do part by part. So for now, I figured out how to set the rotations and how to rotate it, at least in the viewport. Rendering is very tedious. So, and I also want to paint today. So I'm just going to leave it as it is because